Hi friends. In everyday life, citizens and lawyers come across deeds or documents wherein two clauses may found to be repugnant or contradictory to each other. In such cases, for a moment, common men may be confused or perplexed as to what to do next. In this video, we will delve into such questions wherein a deed contains two repugnant clauses. Please watch the video full and leave your comments in the box below. This gives us motivation to create insightful contents for your professional growth every day. Now coming to the point, recently Supreme Court in the case of Bharat Sher Singh Kalsia versus State of Bihar and another Criminal Appeal number 523 of 2024 observed that if there is a repugnancy between the earlier and later clauses of a deed whereby a later clause destroys altogether the obligation created by the earlier clause, then the latter clause is to be rejected as repugnant to the earlier clause and the earlier clause prevails. Setting aside the findings of the High Court and Trial Court, the bench of Justices Vikram Nath and Hasanuddin Amanullah noted that if the earlier and later clauses of a deed cannot be reconciled, then the earlier clauses would prevail over the later clause when construing a deed or a contract. The reference was made to the case of Forbes versus Gith 1922, 1 AZ 256, which was subsequently approved by the Supreme Court in the case of Radha Sundar Datta versus Muhammad Jahadur Rahim, AR 1959, Supreme Court 24. In that case, it was held that if in a deed an earlier clause is followed by a later clause, which destroys altogether the obligation created by the earlier clause, the later clause is to be rejected as repugnant and the earlier clause prevails. But if the later clause does not destroy but only qualifies the earlier, then the two are to be read together and effect is to be given to the intention of the parties as disclosed by the deed as a whole. Taking note of the aforesaid position of law, the court observed that if there arises a conflict between clauses 3 and 11 on the one hand and clauses 15 on the other, we would have to conclude that clauses 3 and 11 would prevail over clause 15 when the same cannot be reconciled. The earlier clauses would prevail over the later clauses when construing a deed or a contract. So there is no more confusion. If two clauses are in a deed are repugnant or inconsistent, earlier clause will prevail. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button to be notified of new videos. And of course, leave your likes and comments. Thanks for watching this video.